Hey everybody, it's Danielle. It's been a while since I checked in. I decided to check in with you guys today. Probably will start doing these more frequently. Someone asked me if I could possibly start doing a video diary, so I just may do that. Got a lot of things going on. I'm going to start back next week posting the weekly workouts or daily workouts. Just been had a lot going on, getting ready to open a store and with school, and then it's football season, so there's just been a lot going on. But I am going to start back doing that because someone has asked me to, and also letting you guys know if you want me to personalize a meal plan for you, make sure you inbox me. I've had some requests for that. And I also have a cooking show that's going to be coming probably in October. I've had a lot of requests for recipes, and then I've had a lot of requests for cooking lessons. So I'm going to start doing that. And I was supposed to get certified for the Zumba this month, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen. So I'm hoping to shoot for either next month or October to get that started. But I've been doing really good. I've hit some really big milestones in the last few weeks. So actually, yesterday I did two milestones in one. I have been doing the running intervals, running and walking since June when I decided to start running, and I've never been able to run a whole mile or run 2 laps period without stopping. But yesterday on a treadmill I was able to run a whole mile without stopping, and usually it takes me about 25 minutes to um, complete a mile. Yesterday I actually ran it under 9 minutes. It was my thing clocked it at about 10 minutes, but that's because I warmed up for about a minute before I started running, and I really shocked myself. And today I actually had another milestone. The last time I know I posted something about dress sizes was my birthday. I was able to put on a size 16, and I was down from a size 22. And actually yesterday I went and bought a few workout items because a lot of my stuff is starting to get really big. And so I bought some pants, some workout pants that are actually a size 12, 14. And I actually fit them. I mean, they're actually loose. I have not been able to wear 14 probably since 2002. So that is really a big milestone. So it's coming off. There are some days that are worse than others. It takes a lot to push myself, and then there's just sometimes I feel like nothing's happening, but I keep pushing, and obviously that's paying off. So I'm gonna just continue on that path, and I really want to hear from you guys. I haven't really heard much from anyone lately. No one's really been posting on the No More Excuses page, and I really would hope you guys start kind of checking in more, letting me know how you doing. Other people are following. I want to really be able to give them inspiration, especially since I'm trying to do documentary to come out by next July, and I want to include those people that have been kind of along with me on a journey during their own journey. So if you guys kind of start checking in and kind of interacting with the page, that would be great, or even checking in on my page, that's fine. Just want to know how you guys are doing, if there's anything you need help with, if there's something you want me to do. Just kind of check in and let me know. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel. And of course, like I said, the Facebook page. And also another thing that I've decided to do is kind of track my journey. I think, I am a writer, so, and someone suggested I actually put my recipes in a cookbook. So I'm actually going to do a book, writing a book about my journey, and it'll be a cookbook. So it'll be two things in one, and that's gonna come out around the time that the DVD is coming out. So a lot of exciting things happening. I hope you guys are really sticking to your exercise plan. Keep moving, keep pushing, don't give up. I know there are some days that are very hard, and that's when you need to, come to the page, come to the group, and, look for inspiration. Don't give up. You didn't gain it overnight. It's not easy trying to get it off, but as you can see with me, it's coming off. So, just keep going, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Make sure you're getting in your water. Make sure you're eating healthy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.